How to leave blank comment on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no simple way for you to leave an empty comment on the TikTok app itself. For example, let me show you. If I opened up TikTok and say for example I wanted to leave a blank comment, just by simply typing a space and then hit enter. As you can see, there's no way for you to do that. It's like you have never entered a comment. You can see it doesn't even give you the option to enter the comment. However, there is an easy way that you can use, which is you simply go ahead and open any browser you have, and then you search for zero width joiner. This zero width joiner is the blank emoji. It's an emoji that you enter and it does exist, and when you hit enter it's like a blank space. So as you can see, it gives us like a lot of websites which you can choose any one of them as they all do the same job. Let's just click on this one, and as you can see, it's right here. It says copy and paste this emoji, and it's like a blank space. So let's copy it. Once the emoji has been copied, let's go back to TikTok and say for example I will comment on this video, add the blank emoji, and then you can that is it for this video. That's how you can leave an empty or a blank comment on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.